चलो दिया है क्वेश्चन सेइंग दैट द डेंसिटी वर्सेस प्रेशर, ठीक है, ग्राफ जो अभी ड्रॉ करेंगे वो किसका है, डेंसिटी वर्सेस प्रेशर ग्राफ है ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ एन आइडियल मोनोएटॉमिक गैस अंडरगोज अ साइक्लिक प्रोसेस। पहले क्वेश्चन साइक्लिक प्रोसेस का शोन इन द फिगर। तो चलो पहले मैं ग्राफ प्लॉट कर लेता हूं, पहले ग्राफ प्लॉट कर लेता हूं, ठीक है। ये है डेंसिटी को मान लो डी से और इधर प्रेशर को डेंसिटी वर्सेस प्रेशर है ना। ये एक्स एक्सिस में ये हो गया हमारा प्रेशर, ठीक है, और इधर हो गया डेंसिटी। डेंसिटी वर्सेस प्रेशर ग्राफ है। denote and to denote, these are the density values at corresponding A and B, और प्रेशर है P नॉट एंड 2P नॉट, ठीक है। इसमें हम लोगों को दिया है मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ द गैस इज M, मॉलिक्यूलर मास is capital M, this is given, and what we have to do, find the work done in each process। पहला पार्ट निकाल इन ईच प्रोसेस, ठीक है, वर्क डन इन ईच प्रोसेस। सेकेंड, उसी का सेकेंड पार्ट कैलकुलेट करना है, फाइंड द हीट रिजेक्टेड बाय द गैस इन 1 कंप्लीट साइकिल। फाइंड द हीट रिजेक्टेड, डायरेक्ट लिखा ही है, हीट रिजेक्टेड कैलकुलेट करना है, हीट रिजेक्टेड इन 1 साइकिल, एक कंप्लीट साइकिल में कितना हीट रिजेक्ट हुआ वो निकालना है, ठीक है। पहले बस इतना ही तक कैलकुलेट कर लो तो हो जाएगा। हाँ बताओ तो क्या होगा इसका कैलकुलेशन, टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड ऑन दिस। इट इज क्लियरली सेड दैट इट इज डेंसिटी वर्सेस प्रेशर ग्राफ है। अच्छा 1 मोल ऑफ द गैस है ना, नंबर ऑफ मोल टू बी यूज्ड 1, वो भी दिया है, जैसे मॉलिक्यूलर मास दिया है, इन भी दिया है 1, नंबर ऑफ मोल 1 है, मॉलिक्यूलर मास कैपिटल M है। तो बताओ कि इसमें, ठीक है, इसमें वर्क डन इन ईच प्रोसेस क्या होगा। तो 3 प्रोसेस इसमें है अल्टीमेटली, ए बी बी सी एंड सी ए, साइक्लिक प्रोसेस है ना, ए बी बी सी एंड सी ए। तो ये तीनों प्रोसेस में इंडिविजुअली ओवरऑल वर्क डन पता करना है। याद करो लास्ट वाला जो हम लोग थ्योरेटिकली डिस्कस किए हैं कि वर्क डन इन साइक्लिक प्रोसेस क्या होता है, सम ऑफ द वर्क डन इन्वॉल्व इन ईच प्रोसेस। तो हम लोग हर एक प्रोसेस का इंडिविजुअल वर्क डन निकालेंगे तब जाके मेरे को ओवरऑल वर्क डन मिलेगा। हालांकि ओवरऑल पूछा नहीं है, लेकिन अगर पूछेगा तो हर एक प्रोसेस के इंडिविजुअल का वर्क डन निकाल के ऐड कर देंगे ना। तो बताओ तो क्या होगा वर्क डन। ए बी प्रोसेस के बारे में पहले बताओ, ए बी प्रोसेस में क्या है, द स्ट्रेट लाइन पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन इज इंडिकेटिंग व्हाट। पहला जो प्रोसेस है, प्रोसेस ए बी, प्रोसेस ए टू बी, ये कैसे प्रोसेस है, क्या इंडिकेशन मिल रहा है बेस्ड ऑन द ग्राफ। हु कैन टेल मी, प्रोसेस ए बी का इंडिकेशन क्या मिल रहा है। प्रोसेस ए बी का इंडिकेशन क्या मिल रहा है? प्रोसेस ए बी का इंडिकेशन क्या मिल रहा है? व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग मीन्स जो ग्राफ है ए टू बी उसका एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, तो स्ट्रेट लाइन का मतलब क्या? स्लोप इज कांस्टेंट, स्लोप इज कांस्टेंट। मतलब प्रिंसिपल क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? इज इट इंडिकेटिंग एनी वन आउट ऑफ दोज वेल नोन थर्मोडायनेमिक प्रोसेस व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड? आउट ऑफ 4 इंडिविजुअल आइडेंटिफिकेशन जो है, 4 जो खास थर्मोडायनेमिकल प्रोसेस है, लाइक आइसोथर्मल, एडियाबेटिक, है ना, आइसोकोरिक, आइसोबारिक, इसमें से कुछ है क्या ए टू बी जहाँ डेंसिटी वर्सेस प्रेशर का, डेंसिटी वर्सेस प्रेशर का स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ है, क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? डेंसिटी प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर। ठीक है, तो डेंसिटी अगर प्रेशर से प्रोपोर्शनल है तो डेंसिटी का मतलब आई कैन से फ्रॉम दिस डेंसिटी बाय प्रेशर दैट कैन बी रिटेन अ कांस्टेंट के। डेंसिटी बाय प्रेशर इज के, ठीक है ना। तो इसका मतलब है डेंसिटी को व्हाट वी कैन राइट डाउन, मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम। So I can write down m by v that into p that is equal to k। तो अगर m by pressure into volume, density क्या है? mass per unit volume। So this implies that mass by pressure into volume, numerator mass molecular mass है वो तो constant है, तो correspondingly denominator भी constant है। So pv is equal to constant। So PV equals to constant implies that temperature is constant. This means temperature is constant. So yes, argument of Shivangshu is correct. That is AB is a isothermal process. यानी कि AB is isothermal. Got my point? ए बी प्रोसेस कैसा प्रोसेस हो गया? आइसोथर्मल। आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस में हम लोगों को वर्क डन निकालने आता है कि नहीं? वी हैव ऑलरेडी सॉल्व दैट। व्हाट वाज द फॉर्मूला? nRT log v final by v initial, और उसी को उलट देंगे तो nRT log प्रेशर इनिशियल बाय, डू यू रिमेंबर इट और नॉट? वर्क डन इन ए बी, can I write down nRT log v final by v initial? वॉल्यूम के बारे में तो नहीं पता है, तो what we can do nRT log pressure at initial by pressure at final. We can do this, yes or no? ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा वर्क डन इन ए बी। क्लियर है? इज इट क्लियर? नाउ गोइंग बैक टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस, नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज BC। BC is under constant pressure। BC, second one is BC। BC is under constant pressure, yes or no? BC is under constant pressure। BC, if it is under constant pressure, then what is the work done under constant pressure? That is isobaric। So how will you explain, how will you define, how will you calculate the work done of BC? Who can say the work done evaluation in BC? It is under constant pressure। So what happens in constant pressure? What happens in constant pressure? That is work done in BC, that is what? In Cp dt, work done means it will be simple calculation, P into dV। So we know that pressure is 2P naught, pressure is constant, so change in volume means it is volume at C minus volume at B, but unfortunately we do not know the volume values there, Do we know the volume? We can write down mass by density. Volume means mass by density. We know the density value at B as well as at C. So we can replace it like this. It is 2P naught into M divided by Vc. Vc means it is D naught minus M divided by 2 D naught. So what it's going to be? It is minus of 2P naught into M by 2 D naught, right? No, not minus, it is plus only. 2 P naught M by 2 D naught. So 2 gets cancelled out, it is P naught M by D naught, right? Yes or no? It is P naught M by D naught. Now this we know about the work done of BC also known to us, and you can simplify the first process of work done of AB. Our first objective was to know the work done in each process. Now out of 3 steps, first 2 steps work done we now know it, right? AB and BC work done values are known to us. What will be the work done in the last process, that is C2A? What will be the work done in the last process, that is C2A? Yes, Pooja, what will be the work done in last process, that is C2A? Who can tell me what will be the work done in the last process from C2A? Yes, Sanik says 0, Shivangshu says 0. Pooja, what do you think? What will be the work done involved in the last process, that is from C2A? Will there be any work or not? For the process C2A, we can see density, see the line parallel to x-axis means y is equal to constant, so y value means density, so density is constant. So where density is constant, that implies volume must also be constant, because density is mass by volume. So where density is constant, their mass must also be volume must also be constant. Mass is always constant there. Yes, Pooja, any doubt? What does it mean of not? Density is constant in C2A means volume is also constant. So when volume constant, that means work done involved in CA, that must be 0. Work done involved in CA, that must be 0. Okay, so that means we have got the work done in all 3 processes, AB, BC and CA, right? So first part of the question was to know about the work done value in all 3 process, AB, BC and CA, that we have done. Fine. Now we have to calculate the total heat rejected by the gas in this cyclic process. So that can be done, total heat dq in the overall process, dq of the cycle, that will be equal to dq from AB, dq for AB plus dq for BC plus dq for CA, right? This will be the calculation, overall calculation of the dq will be sum of the heat exchange in all 3 processes. So first process was thermodynamic process, where we know temperature is constant, so dq will be the same value as it is dw, that is work done involved in that process. So what was the work done process? nR T log E PA by PB. What was PA? That is P naught. What was PB? That is 2 P naught. So it was log of half. So that means we can write down it is nRT log of 1 by 2 to the base E. Isn't it? Yes or no? Tell me. because temperature, we got the point that temperature will be constant in case of the first process being it is isothermal. So when it is isothermal, temperature remains constant and hence there will be no internal energy change. That's why the heat exchange will be equal to work done. So that is the first process. In second process, it was BC which was under constant pressure. So dq in BC will be du BC plus work done BC, right? Because it is being isobaric process, internal energy change and work done both will be available. And finally the CA, which is the isochoric process, because volume was constant, so dW was constant, so that's why dq in this will be involved in du, that is from C to A. So now complete the calculation and tell me what will be the final value of dq for the cycle. Let's do it. Complete this calculation and tell me the final answer in terms of the given parameter for dq for cycle, for the complete cycle. Say, do you know the exact temperature that which is found to be constant in the first isothermal process in AB? Because in question nothing said about the temperature during any instant of this cyclic process. So that means T, though theoretically T is constant for A to B, but we do not know the temperature value. Then how to simplify it? N stands for 1, so we can write down, instead of N 1, that means we can write down RT log of 1 by 2, that means we can write down log 1 is 0, so we can write down this is minus of log 2 to the base E, right? Now question arises how we can replace T. In question we do not know the temperature value, but being it is for A to B, we can we write down A to B, if PV equals to nRT, temperature is constant, so temperature at A will be equal to temperature at B. So we can write down, it is P at A into V at A, that is nR into T at A. So n being 1, we can write down R into T at A, that can be written PA into VA. PA is P naught and VA is mass by density, so it is M by D naught. So that means instead of this, right, this part is concerned, we can write down minus of RT, means it is P naught M naught by D naught into log of 2 to the base E. This is the calculation of the first part. Okay. This, and then DUBC. How can we calculate DUBC? Check it separately. Let's check DUBC. We have got that work done P naught M by D naught as the BC. So for BC, when we will calculate DUBC, so DUBC means it is NCV dt. It is NCV dt, right? N is 1, so CV must be 3 by 2R, being it is monoatomic. As I said at the beginning, it is monoatomic gas. So for monoatomic systems, CV is 3 by 2. Do you remember the degree of freedom that I told you in the previous class? For monoatomic system, degree of freedom is 3. So it will be 3 by 2 into R, and dt means it is temperature at C minus temperature at B. So instead of temperature at C, to express temperature at C, what we can do, using that PV equals to nRT process, for T we can write down PV by nR, so it is P at C, V at C by NR minus similarly P at B, V at B by N into R. Can we write down like this? Because we do not know the absolute temperature value, this is the way we can replace the term. N is 1, R can be cancelled out with this. So it will be ultimately PC VC minus PB VB. So PC we know, PB is also known, both are same, that is 2P, we can take that term out. So it will be 3 by 2 into 2P naught for the pressure. So it is ultimately VC minus VB. VC means mass by density, VB means mass by density at that point. So it is M by density at C is D naught minus M by density 2 D naught, that is at B. Got my point? Could you follow this simplification? So therefore 2 gets cancelled out. Here we are getting 3 P naught into M by 2 D naught. This is the calculation of internal energy change in BC. This much is called, the calculation stands for internal energy change in BC. So therefore heat exchange in BC will be this plus the work done we have calculated already there for BC. So therefore dQBC will be this one, that is 3 by 2 P naught M by D naught plus work done was P naught M by D naught. Do you remember that? Do you remember this? So ultimately it is coming how much? 5 by 2 P naught M by D naught. So ultimately dQBC is coming 5 by 2 P naught M by D naught. This is the heat exchange involved in dQ. Are you getting this? Could you follow this calculation? Could you follow the process of evaluating heat exchange in the process BC? We had earlier calculated work done in BC, and now as I said that internal energy change in any process must always be the calculation of NCV dt. So I have done that only. Are you all okay? Are you all okay with this calculation? Now finally we left only the calculation of internal energy change in CA, because CA was isochoric process. That argument we made in the previous step. CA was an isochoric process. CA was an isochoric process. So that's why internal energy change in CA means it will be the work done only. So let's do the calculation for internal energy change in CA. Again CA will be the calculation of internal energy change in CA, that is du CA, du in CA, that will be again